Alliance Gator. Gator Base is a revolutionary technology in foundations. Gator Base is ideal in pedestrian applications with concrete pavers, natural stones or porcelain tile, and projects such as patio, sidewalk, landing, pool surrounding, and more. The Gator Base is equipped with water evacuation channel and is made with a durable lightweight density polypropylene. This means Gator Base insulate the structure, reducing the effect of freeze and thaw cycles. Designed for ease of installation, the Gator Base lock-and-go system create an interconnected base of support, optimizing the load transfer. Why and where can we use Gator Base? Why? Built to last. Better load transfer, better freeze and thaw protection, save needless excavation, save hauling of crushed stone, save dumping fee, save on labor cost, save overall installation time. Where? All pedestrian applications, all projects large or small, limited access areas, restricted construction zones, where construction speed is critical, material storage prohibited, tight working space. Gator Base is the solution. Let's review the cross-sections of Gator Base versus a traditional application. In both applications, we will excavate and compact the area. Cover the foundation and side with a Gator fabric, 4.4. Gator Base way. Lay and compact 3/4 of an inch of sand down to 1/2 inch. Traditional way. Fill and compact the excavated area with 6 inches minimum of crushed stone. Lay the Gator Base. One Gator Base replace a whopping 6 inches of compacted crushed stone. What a saving! The traditional way. Lay and level 1 inch of loose bedding sand. In both applications, we are now ready to lay the pavers and fill the joints with the Gator Max G2 sand. The 6 easy steps installation of Gator Base. Step 1. Excavation of the new Gator Base area. The excavated area will be 12 inches wider than the final paved area. Prior to excavating, check with the local utility services to ensure digging does not damage any underground pipes or wires. Excavation could be done with the help of a shovel or a small excavator, since only 4 inches of material is to be removed, as for the traditional way of 10 inches. Step 2. Leveling and compacting of the base. When excavation is completed using a rake or shovel, level the excavated area, ensuring a 1-degree slope. Next, compact using a plate compactor or a hand tamper. Step 3. Laying of the Gator fabric 4.4, also leveling and compacting of the sand. A Gator fabric will cover the side and complete excavated area. Obtain the perfect 3/4 of an inch bedding course using 2 pipes with an equal distance and fill the area. With the help of a straight board, level the sand using the pipes. Fill in the empty gap when removed. Shower the sanded area to ease the compaction down to a final 1/2 inch. The area should be smooth as possible. Step 4. The Gator Base installation. Make sure to install the Gator Base on the compacted extended excavation area. Start laying the Gator Base units while ensuring locking of the tongue and groove system. This will guarantee the Gator Base panel's stability when the pavers, stone, or tile are laid down. Trim any visible curves or angles using a utility knife. Step 5. Installation of the pavers, slabs or tile, and the Gator edge. Lay the pavers directly on the Gator Base in the selected pattern. Make sure the Gator Base is 6 inches or 15 centimeters wider than the paved surface. And when Gator edge is to be installed, we will have plus or minus 4 inches of Gator Base exceeding. A Gator Base screw will be driven into every second hole to maximize lateral support of the Gator edge. Step 6. Installation of the Gator Max G2 Polymeric sand. Follow each step as showed in the Gator Max G2 video. The Gator Base is the true choice of professionals. At Alliance Gator, quality is our strength. To learn more, visit us at AllianceGator.com.